Hello guys, such a great time here. It seems summer holidays have just come, and in this video I'm gonna share the top 3 foreign locations in Asia under budget.
Number 1 is Thailand. Whenever it comes to budget foreign holiday, number 1 choice is always none the other but Thailand. Why Thailand? Because of the cheap airfare. You won't believe flying to Thailand from India is sometimes even cheaper than flying to any other domestic destination. A flight fare to Thailand can be as low as 10,000 rupees from Calcutta or Vizag. Hotel fare, there's a variety of accommodation type which you can choose from. Starting price is 600 rupees per night. You can stay either in an Airbnb, homestay, or a hostel apartment, or even a star graded hotel. It's all depends upon your budget. Now it comes to the food. Thailand is famous for its street food, and also another plus point is 7-Eleven. It's the departmental store which is there in Thailand where you can buy your lunch or dinner packed meals starting from 100 rupees. For a short trip, go and visit Bangkok. It's a bustling place for shopping and nightlife. And if you want to see the sea, then head to Pattaya, which is only 2 hours drive from Bangkok. Other famous places in Thailand are Phuket and Krabi for family beach holiday. And also you can try Chiang Mai, which is the cultural hub of Thailand. And do not miss the 2 famous day trips, which are Phang Nga Bay, James Bond Island, and the Phi Phi Island. These are all under budget. Day trips to these islands are within 5,000 rupees per person including lunch. So a beautiful getaway in Thailand for 1 whole week, including your airfare, hotel fare, your visa, and your fooding and your transport, local getaways and everything. It is under 30,000 rupees for a foreign trip.